Hey folks, up here at the Cabino, just hanging out with a couple buddies this evening. We're gonna get cookout happening right here on the coals behind me, and we're gonna bring you along for that. Yeah, we're gonna make that burn down a little more so we can get down to the coals, and we'll put some vegetables and a little assortment of protein on the grill. So yeah, and then we're gonna head up here, up on the ramp, and we'll take you up top to the viewing platform. It's a beautiful evening tonight, and we're looking forward just to hanging out by the fire and sitting outside till the sun goes down. Alright, Mike's preparing the veggies here for dinner. We got some fresh onion, asparagus, well, and I guess some bacon in there too. And just adding the mushrooms right now. And of course, a little onion. I think this fire is ready to go. Spread these coals out a bit. Probably
some good heat coming off of that.
Yeah, I think so. This is what we're after right here. This kind of shit. Go like this. Almost too much there. What do you think? More like that probably, eh? Put this here. Just like that. Alright, so we got the vegetables on the coals here now. Probably give it 20 or 30 minutes, move it to the side, and add our meat.
You underestimate the power of cooking.
You think it'll take less time?
I think it's going to take closer to about an hour and a half to an hour 45
Come
minutes.
on. Well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll be taking out little samples as we go and see who's right. But I'm thinking like 20 to 30 minutes for the vegetables, and then probably add the steaks, and then that'll be another 20-25 minutes. So that's an hour.
We're on time at 9:59.
All right. Stay tuned, folks. Who's going up first?
Right. Dude, where's coming down?
Yeah. Especially if it's dark.
All right. Like totally fucking dark out, eh? And anyways, so there was a basement and a ladder going up to the other story. So anyways, my buddies were all, I guess they all saw this hole, but I didn't. Like they all stepped onto the ladder and went up further, and I didn't. I just stepped right there and I went right to the basement.
Oh,
And it's
no.
like completely fucking dark.
Oh,
Freak
shit.
out, man. Yeah.
You're lucky you didn't break anything.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
Just your ego. Alright, we're heading back down. I'm gonna throw the meat on the grill. Dogs are barking inside. Coyotes howling in the background.
Lucky we still have steaks here.
Alright.
Are you gonna do this?
Yeah, let's give these veggies a little stir. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Check that out. It's coming along nicely. It won't need too much longer. I think it's time to throw the meat on. How's the coals, Mike? Ooh, that's hot. All right. The meat happening.
The rope's supposed to be holding it together, you think?
The tree?
Well, look at the bark.
All right. I think it's time to flip the meat here.
Looks right, right?
I think so. It's been about long enough. I usually only try to flip it once,
Yeah.
but you know, sometimes it ends up going more than that. But if you hit it just right, once is all it takes.
Like roll the dice.
Definitely. And here at the Cabino, anything goes.
It's always gonna taste pretty fucking good.
Oh, for sure.
Never
Everything
really
over the
a direct-
campfire.
I never found a direct science to cooking. You just kind of wing it, sing it.
Yeah, I'm not going to complain either way. All right, we think that the steaks are done and ready, and I think definitely those vegetables are as well. So let's just load these in here, and we'll take them inside. We'll give them 5 minutes or so to rest. We're gonna dig in. What do you think, boys?
Looks really good.
All right.
You got a rope on your steak?
Yeah, they were tied. Somebody tried to be
All right.
fancy.
All food's done.
Put a rope around it, charge an extra
We
$3.
got
Yeah. Yeah, ooh, it must be good.
Yeah.
vegetables, macaroni, steak, some crisps.
Very
How's
good.
the steak?
Fantastic. Look at that. Perfectly medium rare.
Awesome. All right, we're done here. I'm pretty full.
Yeah.
I don't know about you guys. What do you think?
Really good. Full.
Burton had some too. I don't know where Dee Dee is. We're all full. Well, he could probably have more. But that's a dog for you. Alright, so it's the darkest hours of the night here at the Cabino. JR. We got Mikey. He's trying to move the picnic table over right now. I think we're both trashed. I don't know.
There's a big rock up against it, like a security device. 'Cause you know, we don't want nobody ever sliding your table.
Just pull on it a little harder there. It'll slide over. But anyways, we're gonna cook some pizza pockets. Pizza pockets on the fire. We're gonna slide them in this little cooking device here and warm them up on that beautiful fire right there. All right, we both got pizza pockets cooking on the fire. Whose will be done first? No one knows. Whose will fall in the fire? It's hard to say.
Yeah.
But I hope we both have a delicious meal.
That was the truth.
Alright, I took mine off. It's chilling over there on the table. Mike's still giving his a little bit.
See what your verdict is when you give her a slice.
Yeah, I'm not gonna bite right into it immediately because guaranteed it's like a freaking lava pocket in there.
Chances are it's pretty hot.
Oh, it's delicious. Pizza pockets on the fire. You gotta do it. Sorry, 1 second. You've seen before in my videos pizza pops and now pizza pockets. You gotta try it on the open fire. You haven't lived until you've cooked some sort of pizza pastry with one of your good buddies on an open fire. You gotta do it. Get yourself a campsite, 6-pack of beer, stop complicating light, and that too, and just enjoy life. Good morning, everyone. Beautiful morning up here at the Cabino. Got a little buddy joined us this morning, sitting on the chair right there. Doesn't seem too concerned at all. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.